This is Crimson Lake. Today is August 9, 2009. This is Brother Abel checking out his Ikirids. Ikirids. This is me, GM. This is the second day of our camping here in Crimson Lake. Crimson Lake, Rocky Mountain, Alberta. This is Myra, nanghuli ng bloodsucker, yung linta. Oh, wow. Wow.
Humahaba siya,
nandun sa kabilang kuha ng mga ibang Pinoy. Sila Sani, Brother Freddy, Brother Danny. Nandito kami. Dito si Mamang nagpahayahay. This is video.
Hi. We're in Crimson Lake.
Nag-sightseeing kami sa lake, Crimson Lake.
Ayun din sila, doon din sila sa kabila. Dito din sila kanila. Pwede rin.